Join me as I take on the challenge of starting a business using only AI tools. Can I really do it all with just technology? The concept of starting a business using AI tools exclusively might seem like a futuristic dream, but the reality is that we're already living in an era where this is not only possible but also increasingly necessary. As we dive into 2024 and 2025, it's essential to understand how AI can be leveraged to overcome traditional entrepreneurship hurdles and create a competitive edge. One of the most significant obstacles entrepreneurs face is the lack of resources. Whether it's financial constraints or limited access to talent, it's a challenge that can be daunting. However, AI can help bridge this gap by providing cost-effective solutions that can automate tasks, analyze data, and even assist with decision-making. This means that entrepreneurs can focus on high-leverage activities that drive growth, rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. Moreover, AI can help level the playing field, allowing smaller businesses to compete with larger corporations. By embracing AI, entrepreneurs can redirect their energy towards innovation, customer acquisition, and retention. Another major hurdle is the lack of expertise. Many aspiring entrepreneurs have a great business idea but lack the technical skills to bring it to life. AI can help fill this knowledge gap by providing access to cutting-edge tools and technologies that can assist with product development, marketing, and sales. For instance, AI-powered design tools can help create professional-grade branding materials, while AI-driven content generation can assist with social media management. This means that entrepreneurs can focus on their strengths while AI handles the weaker areas. Additionally, AI can help entrepreneurs navigate the complex landscape of regulations and compliance. By automating tasks such as data processing and risk assessment, AI can help businesses stay ahead of regulatory requirements, reducing the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. This is particularly crucial for industries like finance, healthcare, and cybersecurity, where compliance is paramount. Furthermore, AI can help entrepreneurs make data-driven decisions, rather than relying on intuition or guesswork. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can provide insights into customer behavior, market trends, and competitor analysis, allowing entrepreneurs to make informed decisions that drive growth. From chatbots that can handle customer inquiries to AI-powered project management tools that can streamline workflows, the range of AI technologies available to entrepreneurs is vast. For instance, AI-driven market research tools can help identify emerging trends and opportunities, while AI-assisted product development tools can accelerate the creation of minimum viable products. Meanwhile, AI-powered customer service tools can help businesses deliver personalized experiences that drive loyalty and retention. Let's take the example of an entrepreneur who used AI tools to launch a successful e-commerce business. This individual used AI-powered market research tools to identify a gap in the market, and then leveraged AI-assisted product development to create a product that met that need. They even used AI-driven social media management tools to create engaging content that resonated with their target audience. The result? A business that went from zero to hero in a matter of months, with AI playing a pivotal role in its success. This entrepreneur's success story is not an isolated incident. We're seeing more and more cases of businesses that have used AI to drive growth, innovation, and profitability. The potential outcomes are staggering, and it's exciting to think about the possibilities that AI can unlock for entrepreneurs. In conclusion, starting a business with AI is not only possible, but increasingly accessible. By leveraging AI tools and technologies, entrepreneurs can overcome traditional obstacles, drive growth, and create a competitive edge. Remember, the future of business is here, and it's powered by AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on AI in business in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn more about the latest AI trends and insights, be sure to watch my next video.